Hi, today we're going to be making some smoky chicken biryani. Starting off, we need to marinate some chicken. So take 750 grams of boneless chicken, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of kasuri methi and 200 grams of fried onions and give this all a good mix. Keep some heated charcoal with some ghee in the chicken while it marinates. This is to achieve the smoky flavors in the chicken. Next, we're going to work on the rice. Make sure you start off with washed rice that's been soaking in water for 30 minutes. In a pot, boil some water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of ghee, and add the soaked rice. Let it cook, and this only needs to be 70% cooked. Now we're going to work on the masala for the biryani. In a cooker, start off with 200 milliliters of oil, 100 milliliters of ghee, 3 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 2 cardamom. Then add 4 chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 chopped tomato, handful of coriander and mint, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. This needs to be cooked for 3 whistles. Now it's time to combine. Take your marinated chicken and cook it normally. Now we're going to add all of this in a biryani pot in layers. The first layer would be the chicken, the second layer would be the rice, the third layer would be the fried onions, and fourth layer would be the masala from the cooker. You're going to repeat this process until the pot is full. Top with some lemon slices and cook it for 10 minutes. Your smoky chicken biryani is ready. Don't forget to serve hot and enjoy with family. Thank you.